South is a very critical contributor to that share. We also sell about 3,000 vehicles per month, both Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai are all critical contributors to the sales of XUV 500. The All India launch in Delhi on the 25th of May. So it's about, today's the third day. As Dr. Goenka has said, we are looking at 9 launches this year between personal and commercial segments. We sell 3,000 nationally. I'm sure, with the new launch, with the new model, sales will definitely grow. I don't have a specific target or a specific market share. The share of the XUV 500 of the total UV segment in India across all manufacturers is 6.5%. When you look at UVs priced above 10 lakhs, we estimate our share to be around 17%, and that is looking at specific variants across manufacturers. So that's an estimate. It's not an exact figure. I certainly expect Mahindra's overall share and sales to increase with all the new launches we have this year. That's certainly expected to happen, because I'm sure all our new launches will generate a lot of interest and a lot of pull in the marketplace. Sales are approximately 3,000 per month. So our sales last year were close to 35,000 in the last financial year. If you convert back the shares that I've given you, you will get the figure, the size of the segment. When we look at products that are in, either close to the same price range or price segment, or when we look at consumers in the marketplace, they tend to look at what budgets they have and what features are being offered on products. They don't go by the segments like SUV or MUV or cars, as we've seen through our experience. So we compare ourselves with, where we've seen cross preference, where we've seen cross interactions in terms of what our consumers talk about through our market research, cross consideration. Innova is the largest selling UV currently in the segment, if you don't count the Bolero.